Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna. I am feeling very wonderful and very excited. Today is a beautiful day, the sun is shining, and I feel a lot of love in my heart. How are you today? I hope you are having a very good day too.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends. I am Tom, and I am very happy to be here with you. I am feeling very positive today. The weather is very nice and warm. It is a perfect day to learn English. I am very happy because we are talking about a topic that I love. I love animals. Animals are our friends.
Yes, Tom, animals are so special. Today we are talking about pets. Pets are the animals that live in our houses. Many people have a dog or a cat. I have a cat and I love my cat very much. Do you have a pet, Tom?
Yes, Anna. I have a dog. My dog is very big and very friendly. He is my best friend. Having a pet is a big responsibility, but it is also very fun. We want to help you learn English words about pets. It is a very common topic.
That is true. If you have a pet, you can practice English every day. You can talk to your dog or your cat in English. They are very good listeners. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel. If you like our videos, please give us a like. We love to read your comments.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. We want to help many people learn English. Now, let's talk about the morning. My dog wakes me up every day. He comes to my bed and he licks my face. It is a very funny way to wake up. He is very happy in the morning.
My cat is different. My cat is very quiet. She sits near my head and she purrs. Purr is the sound a happy cat makes. It is a very soft sound. Purr, purr, purr. It makes me feel very calm. I open my eyes and I see her beautiful green eyes.
That sounds very peaceful, Anna. My dog is not quiet. He wags his tail. To wag is to move the tail fast. Thump, thump, thump on the floor. He wants to eat. The first thing I do is go to the kitchen. I take his food bowl. A bowl is a round plate for animals.
Yes, the food bowl is very important. I also go to the kitchen for my cat. I have a bag of cat food. I open the bag and my cat runs very fast. She knows that sound. I put the food in the bowl. I also give her fresh water. Fresh water is very important for all pets.
I agree. Fresh water is very important. My dog drinks a lot of water. He is very thirsty after he sleeps. I clean his water bowl every morning. I want him to be healthy. After he eats his breakfast, he is very happy. He looks at me with big eyes. He wants to go outside.
Oh, the walk. That is a very important part of the day for a dog. Cats usually stay inside the house, but dogs need to walk. Do you take your dog for a walk every morning, Tom?
Yes, I do. I take the leash. A leash is the long rope we use to walk the dog. When I touch the leash, my dog jumps. He is so excited. We go to the park near my house. The park is very green and beautiful today. The air is fresh. It makes me feel very good.
That is wonderful. Walking is good for the dog and it is good for you too. It is good exercise. In the park, does your dog run?
Yes, he runs a lot. I throw a ball and he brings the ball back to me. This is a game called fetch. He loves to play fetch. Many dogs love balls. It is a simple game, but it is very fun. I see many other people with dogs in the park. We say hello.
That is a great way to meet people. You can say, "What is your dog's name?" or "Is your dog friendly?" These are very good English sentences. For my cat, play is different. I use a small toy with a string. My cat tries to catch the toy. She is like a little hunter.
Cats are very fast. I like to watch cats play. But Anna, after playing, pets get dirty, especially dogs. When it rains, my dog gets mud on his paws. Paws are the feet of the dog or cat. I have to clean his paws with a towel.
Yes, cleaning is part of the routine. I also brush my cat's hair. She has long hair. I use a brush. I brush her hair every day. This keeps her hair soft and clean. She likes it. She sits on my lap and stays very still. It is a very sweet moment.
I also brush my dog, but my dog is very big, so it takes more time. I also have to check his ears and his teeth. We want our pets to be healthy. Sometimes we go to the vet. The vet is the doctor for animals. Do you take your cat to the vet, Anna?
Yes, once a year. The vet checks her heart and her eyes. It is important to go to the vet. It is like a checkup for humans. My cat does not like the vet very much. She is a little bit scared. I talk to her in a soft voice. I say, "It's okay, you are a good girl."
You are very kind, Anna. Kindness is very important for pets. They have feelings. They feel happy, they feel sad, and they feel scared. My dog is very brave, but he is scared of thunder. When it rains really hard, he hides under the table. I sit with him and I pet him.
To pet an animal is to touch them softly with your hand. It makes them feel safe. I think pets are part of the family. They are not just animals. They live in our house and they share our lives. They make us smile when we are sad.
I agree, 100%. My dog is my family. When I come home from work, he is waiting for me at the door. He is always happy to see me. It is the best feeling in the world. He doesn't care if I am tired or if I am grumpy. He just loves me.
That is unconditional love. It is a big word, but it means love with no conditions. Pets are very good at that. Now, let's look at some words we used. We used dog, cat, pet, food bowl, leash, park, vet, and paws.
And we used many verbs: to wag, to purr, to pet, to walk, to play, and to brush. These are very useful words for your daily life. If you have a pet, please tell us. What is your pet's name? Is it a dog or a cat? Or maybe a bird?
Yes, please write a comment. We love to hear about your pets. Writing is a very good way to practice your English. You can write, "My dog's name is Max," or "I love my cat." These are perfect A1 sentences. Don't be shy.
We are very happy you are here with us. Learning English is a journey. It is like taking care of a pet. You need to do it every day with love and patience. Step by step, you will speak very well. We are here to help you.
That is a very beautiful comparison, Tom. Learning English takes practice every day. Thank you for listening to our podcast today. We hope you learned many new words about pets. Remember to be kind to animals and be kind to yourself.
Yes, thank you everyone. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. If you have a friend who loves animals, share this with them. It is a fun way to learn together.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Enjoy the sun or the rain and give your pet a big hug from us. We will see you in our next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Happy learning.